All right, so this is a video. All right, this is a video over multi-step equations, integers, meaning your answers should come out to a positive or negative whole number. Your goal is to set up an equation. Now, some of these are pretty difficult, but just really try, and this will be on the site so you can see the word problems, but use your notebook, and so really you first of all reread the question. It might take you a couple times to understand what the heck is happening. If you want to print this sheet to be able to highlight, underline, circle, that's fine. So let's start with this first one. Aiden borrows a book from the public library. So he borrows a book. He reads a few pages on day 1. On day 2, he reads twice the number of pages that he reads on day 1. On the 3rd day, he reads 6 pages the first day. If he has read the entire book that contained 458 pages, how many pages? Okay, so that makes my head spin. All right, let's look at it again. So we got a book. He reads for 3 days, and he read the whole book in 3 days, and it contained 458 pages. So I know I'm going to have 458 pages. That's going to be my total. But did you notice he read a few pages on day 1? On day 2, he read twice the number of pages that he read on day 1. On day 3, 6 pages less than he did the first day. So everything goes back to this day 1, my variable there. So I'm not going to use O for a variable. So let's just do X. I'm going to represent my X as day 1. And so what you want to do is you want to define your equation. So X is going to represent my day 1. And then by day 2, he read twice the number of pages. So if day 1 was the X, that means day 2, so this is going to be day 2. Then on the 3rd day, he reached 6 pages less than what he did on the first day. So day 1 was here, and he read 6 pages less than day 1. So that's going to be 6 less, and this is going to be day 3. So all together, X, 2X, and X minus 6, X plus 2X plus X minus 6 all equals 458. I'm going to bring that a little closer. Okay, then you can go in to solve this, combine like terms, and then solve it as a 2-step equation. Okay, so when you read these, really look at what they're referring to, and then that's probably going to be your variable. But define your variable for each one of these. Now on this one, when you solve for X, they want to know on day 3. So you got to put that X back into this expression to find how many pages he read on day 3. Then I would do each one and test it to see if all of them would equal 458. Okay, so whatever you solve for X, plug it back into each of these, and then you'll be able to see if it really works. All right, so these aren't going to be real easy, but I want you to really read carefully. Okay, and if you need to make a chart, our goal is to set up an equation. So just to let you know, whatever answer you get, plug it back in and see if that works for all the scenarios. Okay. I'm trying to stop the video. Why isn't it letting me stop?